What's good, Lifestyle Podcast? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jared. Y'all, today we're gonna be looking at a video from Cooking with Kaya. Now, I just want to say this because this one's quite unique, but the caption of the video is "in my wifey material." Now, I haven't reviewed this video from her. But we gonna take a look at this video because I actually want to know what she's actually saying here. But let's get it. Shout out to her.
Say it with me, y'all. Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
If change could come overnight.
I didn't know she used copyrighted music. But damn. Okay, so she's cooking. Got potatoes. I think she made some hairy cream. Some mashed sweet potatoes. Some mashed potatoes. Okay. Okay, sister. Oh, so making broccoli mashed potatoes. Oh shit. Okay.
Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
I'm probably gonna add in some music over this, so if you guys hear some music, just know that's why.
Cooking with.
Okay, so I'm gonna add in some music because it's gonna seem kind of awkward when you watch it. But let's just get down to the fact that Kaya is really attractive. Okay, like we're not gonna sit here and say that she's not. So I'm gonna leave this muted. Okay, so we can tell that Kaya is really attractive. Okay, she can cook. She's 20s. She's in her early 20s. Excuse me. She can cook. That looks good as fuck, by the way. But what I want to say is this. Being wife material isn't. It's technically not about just cooking. It's about much more than that. Because yes, you can be a good cook, but you won't be technically wife material. And let me explain why. You may be wife material to somebody that's just only looking for a woman just to cook and clean the house. Or just to cook in the house. But for the most part, a lot of men are looking for a lot more than just a woman that cooks and cleans. She's a really attractive woman. Now, this is only what we're seeing, but behind the camera, that's what we don't know. Because right here is like she cooking like she a chef or something, and it looks good. I ain't even gonna cap. It looks really good. But gentlemen, let's update our standards from just cooking and cleaning to actually a lot more than just that. Because now now that a lot of these baby mamas have heard our message, now they're like, oh, all I gotta do is just cook and clean for them. Meanwhile, they ain't providing nothing else. They still gonna provide the same type of hell they gave to their baby daddy. That's why I'm saying this. But is she wife material? I simply do not know because I don't know her outside. Did she just make sweet potato? No, did she just make potato soup? Good Lord. Good damn Lord. She done made damn potato soup. You know, let me get over here because my mouth's starting to water. Yeah, let me. But my statement still stands. There needs to be a lot more than what a woman's. There needs to be a lot more to a woman than just cooking and cleaning. Like I said, outside of TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Kaya may be providing a lot more than just cooking. So we're going based upon what we're seeing from the camera, and she can cook. But what else is she bringing to the table? That's what you need to answer. And I'm not saying this specifically about, I'm not saying this to disparage Kaya, but I'm saying look beyond the woman's looks. Look beyond the woman's ability to cook. Is she a good woman to actually raise kids with? Is she going to help you in a business adventure or in life? That's what you need to look to as well. But then again, I am young, so keep that in mind. But I want you guys to comment down below. I want to hear what you guys are going to say because, like I said, cooking with Kaya, she's actually doing some good. She actually can cook, and that shit look good as hell too. So I ain't even gonna cap. That shit look good as hell to me. But anyways, guys, like, share, subscribe, channel, support the podcast, and Spotify.com. I will keep you guys updated on what's going on with the Black Star merch website. That should be coming the first of the year. But anyways, guys, like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Thank you guys for listening. Bye, guys.